Guys, let's move to the another sheets. And as I was talking that we will be learning a formula in which we will be giving a date range, and with the help of this date range we will be finding the value which will be calculated, and which will be the sum of this date range, which will be equal to the range, this date range. So Ms Excel use of SUMIF function with date range condition. So I'm going to give the range. For example, I want these 2 or 3 function. This is my first date and this is my second date, and I got value here. You can see that I have total this data for the first December and 2nd December. If I want to calculate to the 4 December, I am going to copy and paste the 4 December. Sorry, why is not coming 4 December? Because we use +1, and we are going to write it hard here. Control Z, delete, copy, paste, value only. So now we got the data from 1st December to 4 December. So far so good. We got the data from 1st December to 4 December. If we want to see and check that whether the formula is giving a correct value, let us sum this value, the 4 values, equal to sum from here to these 4 values. Very good. We got the correct answer. This means that this range is working correctly. Now let's see how is this working. How is this range working? SUMIF function is used. The blue range B7 colon B24, this range is given this criteria, this, to see that if it is equal to or greater than the value, and this F9, the F9 is here, end date, comma C7 comma C24, and this again is we given the same value, and the minus is used between these two similar functions, B7 B24. Here is also B7 B24, and here is lesser than equal to and F9, and here is lesser than and F8. If it is lesser than equal to F9, take that value, and if it is lesser than and F8, so comma C7 C24. So in the result of this formula, we can easily take the sum of the data comparatively analyzed with the date column, and to start the sum function from a particular date to the another particular date for a particular period. Simply we should say that we can sum this data. So I hope guys you can understand this. This way we can use the SUMIF function with the